Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. Happy New Year. Actually, yeah, Happy New Year because you guys are gonna be watching this New Year's Day. Right now it's New Year's Eve here in the past, but I am actually heading over to the grocery store because I wanted to pick up some stuff to make sushi for today, and I am filling up the fountain with water because all the water has dissipated. So that's currently what I'm doing. Don't worry, that's like a fertilizer thing, but the fertilizer thing is off. So just filling up the fountain with water so we can have some water in the fountain for the new year, I guess. But yeah, so it is nice and actually pretty chilly today. And it's really overcast. It's supposed to get a little bit sunnier later, but yeah. Oh, you know what? I kind of want to go to maybe the Veterans Thrift or something really quick because we are going to be really close to there because we're going to go to the 99 Ranch Market, and because I want to pick up I need imitation crab meat and cucumber. Those are the two things that I need. Oh, and seaweed wrap. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that. Probably go to the Veterans Thrift first, and I kind of want to go to the 99-cent store because I forgot who posted it on Instagram, but they have these Wi-Fi plugs for like $5 each, which is really cheap. That is a really great price. So I want to go see if they have them at my local store. So I think that's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to try and go really quickly. It's about 9 a.m. right now, so we're going to get our day started. It's going to be so much fun. This fountain is taking forever. Okay, let's go. Hey, the fountain has water again. Woo! Hey guys, Veterans Thrift. This is our last thrift for the year. So exciting. Alright you guys, we are looking through the bags. Olivia, enjoy. Hopefully we can find some treasures. I think they're also bringing out some new bags right now too, so we're gonna have to wait and see what they have in that bin as well. This J. Crew shoe is so cute. Steve Madden, Tom's, Michael Kors, Guess, Chinese Laundry, Aerosols, Aldo. Here's some Ferragamos right there, Steve Madden. So many shoes. Oh, the Charlotte Olympias are still here. Yes. I'm looking through the luggage and the backpacks and stuff. Not really spotting anything. That's Smirnoff Bailey's. This person. Oh no, this is a backpack that like is actually made. I thought there were stickers at first. I was like, someone made this and they love alcohol. But no, you actually get it like that. Ooh, this butterfly thing is so cool. Look at all these shoes. Nikes, Jordans, whatever these are, more Nikes. These shoes up here are pretty cool too. Alright you guys, I think I just found a Gucci bag. Oh, but it's broken. It is a broken Gucci bag. I'm pretty sure it's authentic though. $14.96. You guys will never believe what I just found. I just found a Chloe bag right here. And it is in pretty good condition. There's just two little studs missing on the back, but it's just on the handle and it doesn't really affect the functionality of the bag. They're just missing. So you can probably just like kind of replace them with something else that looks similar. $40. Made in Italy thing right there. There's a little serial number right there. This is like a vintage, not like super vintage, but like it's an older style, like around like, I think probably like around the time of the Paddington. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is such an amazing find. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I knew there was a reason why I went to the Goodwill today, or the thrift store in general today. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is such an exciting moment. Okay, let's look through the rest of the bags. And they literally just brought that bag out right now too, because they had a bunch of bags that they were just bringing out, and I was just waiting for them to put them out, and then they left, went over there to look, and bam. I'm telling you guys gotta wait till like they start bringing out new stuff. I'm always looking at this Dooney because I really like it, but it's pricey. It's like $75, and it's a red tag. And then the red tags here never go on sale, which is unfortunate. Gap, Urban Express. Oh, there's a Coach bag, but that one is kind of worn out. I'm still contemplating the Gucci bag. It is missing the, what is it called? The little thing on it. It's missing the lock, but it's like $15. So I'm like, And I'm pretty certain that it is an authentic Gucci too. So I'm like, should I just get it? Ooh, is this a Ferragamo bag? Maybe it's not, it might be fake. A little too excited for the fake Salvatore Ferragamo, but that's okay. It happens. Fiorelli? This Fiorelli looks like a Celine. Right? Hey guys, so here is the little Ferragamo little shoulder bag. I like this detail on the side, like it's like a ruched handle. Super soft. This one is an authentic Ferragamo bag, unlike the other one that we just saw, the white one. It's cute. Little pockets on the sides. There's some wear on the edges, but little conditioning will do that will do like a good job helping that up. So a cute little shoulder bag. I think this one's a yes. This one's 20 bucks. Alright you guys, I went with the Salvatore Ferragamo and the Chloe. I didn't end up getting the Gucci because it ended up being a lot more damaged than I thought it was upon further inspection, so I'm excited though. Okay you guys, we just got to the 99 Ranch Market and it is packed. It's very intense. I thought I wasn't gonna find parking. There was literally like 20 cars driving around looking for parking, and I just like pulled in from the street and there was like a spot open because like someone just left and like literally no one was waiting for it, so I got it and I'm very excited. So anyway, we're gonna go inside the ranch market right now. I don't think I'm gonna bring you guys with me because it's probably gonna be like a ton of people, and I'm literally just gonna I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Let's go. Okay, so I decided to bring you guys in there with me because I wanted to spend as much time with you guys as I can in 2018 before we go into 2019. So let's go inside. Okay, we need to get cucumber. We need to get a cart. Actually, a basket will do. Oh my gosh, there aren't very many cucumbers left, but don't need like a massive. Okay, this is good. What else do we need? I don't think we need anything else here. We need the imitation crab meat. Oh wait, I do need avocados because the ones mom got, she said were too, they weren't ripe yet, so. Wait, they had these cucumbers? What's the difference? I think they're hiding the avocados from me. Where are they? Okay, it would help if I took off the lens cap. I found the avocados. Let's get some. Okay, I literally went through like all of the avocados and none of them are ripe. They're all hard as a rock. So, I don't know, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. Let me see if they have any other avocados in the store. But like literally they're so hard. Like not right. Alright you guys, I got the imitation crab meat. I got my roasted seaweed. Pure mayhem in there, but I was able to get all my stuff. I do need to get avocado still, so I'm gonna go to probably Albertsons. But look at their bags. Their bags are really nice at 99 Ranch Market. Good job. I know I forgot to get bags, and I was just like, I'm just gonna get a bag. I'm gonna keep this one in my car. Anyway, let's go to Albert. Just got home. Look at this food that Mom made. She made 2 Amish friendship breads, and we have some brownies. I have my goods right here that I got from the store, and she is making even more stuff. Ooh, some potatoes. Wow. Hey, you guys, Mom made some fish. It's over there. We're gonna put that in the oven shortly. But right now she has something else in here, which I will show you guys later because I can't open the oven. Braised beef. My sushi rice is done cooking. I put it inside here. And this is that beautiful KitchenAid mixing bowl that I got. Mom loves it. But now I'm going to get the rice ready. So I'm gonna mix it up with rice vinegar. And I'm also gonna mix it up with sugar. And it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna let it cool, then we're gonna start making our sushi. Ooh, the food. Everyone's like trying to take a picture of the food. Hey guys, I'm making sushi. Mom's eating it. You can have some too, Dad. So I'm making 2 kinds. Well, 3 kinds, because some of them have both the crab meat and the salmon. Some only have salmon, some only have crab. Yum. You can see it. So like these are the salmon, crab, just crab. I'm making my last sushi. Yay! Happy New Year, everyone! I just wanted to wish you guys all a Happy New Year. I just had to run to my room. It's like the only kind of quiet place in the house right now. Everyone is like out there having fun, and like I think the kids are just like running around. My brother and his friends are playing something, and my parents are... I think my dad went to sleep, actually, and my aunt and my mom were just like hanging out. So much fun though. Ate way too much food. I'm so full, but it was a blast. And I just wanted to wish you guys all again a Happy New Year one last time. Welcome 2019. I cannot wait what this like year is gonna bring us all. Wishing you guys all a happy, healthy New Year, full of prosperity and positivity, good health, and all that amazing stuff. But I love you guys so much. I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys had fun today, and I'll see you guys all